In this video, I'm going to show you the way that you can create an account of Glassdoor. If you're searching for a job, then Glassdoor is a great platform where you can compare companies, take a look at the salary range, as well as take a look at the reviews a particular company has. In order for you to create an account of Glassdoor, you'll need to open up a web browser and search for glassdoor.com. Once you're inside of its platform, straight away in the home section, you'll be able to see a few options on creating your account. Either you can use your Google account, your Apple ID, or your email address. So depending upon what you do, if you select Google or Apple, you just need to enter in your accounts and you'll be immediately signed up and you won't need to create a password. But however, if you just use your email, you will need to create a password. For this video, I'm just going to go with my email, but you can use these two options as well. Once you add in your email address, in the next section, you will need to add in a password. So make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters, as well as special characters. And then you can click on create account. And as easy as that, your account of Glassdoor now has been created. In the next step, it is going to ask you a few simple questions. You just need to answer them. Add in your job titles, your location, and you will be good to go. Lastly, a verification code will be sent to your email address. You can add it in and then click on verify. If this guide video helped you out in creating your account of Glassdoor, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also make sure you subscribe if you are interested in more future videos.